Day before Halloween, Thomas was puffing up to the station. He had saw James. Hi, James. Oh, hi, Thomas. What's wrong? What's wrong? Be happy. You didn't heard the half engine. The half engine. What are you yeah, the half engine. Thomas. Thomas tried to play it off. There's no such thing as no us engine. Oh, Thomas, you just don't get it. Okay, okay. I just actually knew about the half engine, James. Really? Yes. She was one of my. She was on the railway too. What are you talking about? She comes here every night. She comes in the woods every night for you just to haunt people and take away their face. And she was built like that. Oh dear. But never go into the forest, James. There's only a warning for you. Just don't go into the forest. 'Cause if you do, it is over. You're gonna lose something. You're gonna lose all of us. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, James. Okay, Thomas. I trust you, and I won't let you down. Yes, James. Thomas puffed away. Bye, James. I'll see you. He stormed off, and the Clarabelle cheered him up. Thomas, you'll be okay. No, we're going to the woods right now. And you think I will see him? Thomas. Next time on Thomas and the Halloween special. Beep beep.